Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings. So today, before we start, last week I had suggested the Surya Mudra, and some of you had really liked it and had asked me if I can bring in more tips, something like that, for Sundays. So today I feel in the evening between 6:30 to 8, or if not in the evening, if you're planning to go out with family or on yourself, whenever you have time today for 10 minutes, do the Kuber Mudra. Many of you have seen my own video of Kuber Mudra on YouTube. If not, you can just put the Kuber Mudra in Google and you will know how the Kuber Mudra is done. So keep one thing in your mind, one desire in your mind, or one issue in your mind which you need solution for. It does not have to be a financial issue, it can be any issue. Just do the Kuber Mudra and thinking of that issue and intending that the issue is getting resolved, and I'm sure a beautiful change or a beautiful transformation is coming your way, and it is going to happen. Today the color is yellow. I feel some of you have a little emotional ups and downs today, so I'm suggesting the color yellow. Let us see what is in cards for you today. The first card which has come is the Judgment card. Maybe you feel a lot of people are dependent on you and you are just dependent on the divine as to what has to be done and how to sort out things, and you are wondering how to come out of the issues that have been troubling you now, and you're not knowing how to should you take the leap of faith and go forward, or you should just hang on there. So let's pull one more card to get the answer for that. I feel for now, stay on where you are. Don't take any decisions in a hurry. If you're looking for a job change, don't change your job. If you're looking for any other change, as of now, don't do anything else. Just be the way you are. Just do what you're doing right now. Maybe now is not the right time. But yes, as I said, do the Kuber Mudra with that desire, with that intent, and I'm sure things will change and you will get the right decision to be taken or the right step to be taken. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.